everyone, we're at the fashion show, and today it's Huntrix and gemstones. What is going on here? Where are all the glamorous outfits?
Lali, what do we do?
We can't perform like this. We need to figure something out. I have pink gems left, but we need diamonds. LaLiLu, where did all the gems go?
We ran out. But I know where to find the first gem, the diamond. It's with Miss Unicorn.
Great, but how do I get there?
We'll make you wings.
Amazing! I've always dreamed of having wings. I'll help you make them.
I couldn't do it without you, Lali. We'll need a wing template. Transfer it onto sparkly foam sheet and cut it out. Glue the piece onto a large wing and add feathers. Join the two wings together with hot glue and attach the elastic bands.
Wow, they're so pretty. Thank you, LaLiLu. Okay, I'm flying. There. Yay, I found the unicorn.
Hello, Wanderer. What brings you here?
Who turned off my vision?
Looks like my curls decided to make friends with you.
Wow, you're so beautiful. And that horn, can I touch it?
No.
Fine, that's not what I came here for anyway.
So, what did bring you to me?
I need diamonds. Please help me find them.
I'll give you diamonds if you help me make a beautiful hairstyle.
Well, sure. We'll glam you right up. This will come in handy. We need to detangle the hair nicely. LaLiLu, can you help me, please?
No problem. Like this.
You are gonna have the coolest hairstyle. Separate the side sections by the face and braid two little braids. Join them together.
It turned out so pretty.
Give us a spin. Absolutely stunning. But there's still something missing. Of course, rhinestones. I'll have to give up my gems. Now that's perfect. I'm so good at this.
Thank you, Lali.
Happy to help.
Time to keep my promise. Ta-da!
Wow, what a huge diamond. Thanks for everything. Seriously?
It was nice meeting you, Lali.
Same here. Bye-bye. It's so heavy.
Phew. Oh, wow. Is that for my dress?
Yes, and I have the perfect sketch for it. Let's go. There.
Perfect.
We'll start with the base. We need white glue and wet wipes.
I know exactly what you're thinking. Wrap the mannequin in plastic wrap. Dip a wipe into the glue and shape the corset.
We're doing such a great job.
Oh, you know, I actually have...
Hold on, not now.
Fine.
Yay! The glue is dry. Time to try it on. Okay, take this off and put on our corset. It fits perfectly. LaLiLu, bring the fabric.
Here's everything we have left. Yellow, pink polka dot one.
Not that one either.
There's nothing else left.
Then we'll make the skirt from a plastic bag.
Cut a piece off the bag. Tape one edge with double-sided tape and gather it into ruffles.
Okay, Rumi, try it on. Stunning. We need to decorate it. What are you up to, LaLiLu? Oh, I'm confiscating this. Rumi, look what I've got. Let's add more sparkle to the skirt. Just perfect. Time for the diamonds. Wow, my precious. Decorate the skirt with the big gem. Put the necklace on and add the stud earrings. Rumi, you are absolutely glowing. Although we could always add more rhinestones. You can never have too many. What a luxurious look. We almost forgot about the shoes.
Did someone order shoes?
Oh, did you say shoes? Wow, those are gorgeous. But can we make them even more gorgeous? I've got just the thing.
Wow. Amazing. Add beautiful lace-up ribbons to the shoes and decorate them with gems.
You look absolutely breathtaking, Rumi.
Thank you, I love it. I'm shining just like a real diamond.
Oh, is it my turn already? Oh, her gem is sapphire. But where are we gonna find that?
The mermaids have some.
Great, but I don't want to get my hair buns wet.
That's not a problem.
I'm so funny. Let's go! Hey, why are you so sad?
Someone broke my crown.
Don't worry, I'll make you a new one. It'll be even better than this one. Cutting the wire. What should I decorate it with?
Maybe this would work.
Oh, perfect. LaLiLu, help!
Of course, Lali.
Apply it right here. Hot glue the two parts together and attach the starfish.
Let's also add some pearls.
It's gonna be awesome.
Great.
Add some shells too.
Lali, I also found a pearl necklace.
That'll go perfectly with it. Ta-da! Put it on.
Wow, Lali, I want to thank you. I have what you're looking for.
Thank you so much! At least I didn't get my buns wet.
You're so funny, Lali.
Now we have everything we need for Zoey's look. Yay! We'll need blue crepe paper, wavy fabric, and rhinestones. Let's start with the corset. LaLiLu, can you help, please?
We shaped the corset from crepe paper on the bias.
Perfect. Here's the skirt fabric. Done. And now, my favorite part.
We'll need some nail polish. Coat the top of the corset with clear polish and dust it with blue glitter.
Absolutely dazzling! And the star detail of this look, the sapphire heart. Where do I put it? It needs to be somewhere really visible. Then let's put it on the skirt. Yes, cover the corset with rhinestones. Run gems along the edge of the skirt, add them to the mesh sleeves, and decorate the hair buns. Almost done. I found blue heels. Add rhinestones. Okay, I'm going. Hold on. Let's also do a cool makeup look to match. Lips, gems.
Wow, I look gorgeous! This blue sapphire look suits me perfectly. The semi-transparent skirt shimmers and the rhinestones add so much sparkle. I'm glowing all over.
LaLiLu! We still have the ruby look.
We'll find the ruby in the forest with the fairy.
But how do we get to the forest?
Through the bush.
Seriously?
Yep, go ahead and jump.
Fine. Where am I? Oh, it worked! Oh, wow, rubies! Yes, that's exactly what I need.
What are you doing here?
I'm looking for rubies. I really need them.
I'll give them to you, but I need shoes. I can't dance without them.
No problem. LaLiLu!
What is it, Lali?
The fairy needs shoes.
1 second. There, ta-da!
Oh, wow, craft foam.
Trace the fairy's feet on the foam sheet. Cut out the insoles and attach them with ribbon.
I want to dance already.
Hold on, we're not done yet.
What do we use for the heel?
Let's use a straw.
Great idea! Cut a piece with an angled edge. Glue the heel onto the sole. Attach it to the shoe. It's not sticking.
That's what hot glue is for. Done. Stick it.
Wow, what gorgeous shoes. Okay, I'm flying.
Wait, where are you going? We're not done yet. You should have the most beautiful shoes. We decorate them with colorful gems and leaves. Now everything's ready.
Yay, I can finally dance. A pirouette and fluttering among the flowers, I'm flying.
Hey, where are you going?
I'm right here.
You promised me rubies. Did you forget?
Oh, you're right. Now where did I put them? Not here. Oh, where could they be? Not here either. Oh, what do I do? That's just what I need. Boo-boo, please give me those gems. I really need them.
Sure, here you go.
Thank you so much.
Good luck.
And now they're yours, Lali.
Wow, thank you. I need to get going.
Where is she? I'm the only one without an outfit.
Here, I got everything.
Finally, let's get started.
Just a sec. We still need more materials.
Here's everything we've got.
Let's sew it from this fabric.
No, tulle won't work.
Then this one.
The sparkly one is perfect. We'll take this off and make the dress from the dark red fabric. This color is absolutely stunning. Let's shorten it a little.
Oh no, what are you doing? You ruined it.
There's no need to panic. It's exactly like the sketch.
Okay, fine. I'll go get the ribbon.
Making it a mini skirt.
I've got the ribbon.
Thank you. Trim the dress. We'll add 2 strips with rings to the front. Let's turn it into a train.
Time for the gems.
Decorate the top of the dress with rubies.
We're not done yet. Mira has to sparkle. Let me take a look at you. Oh no, your hair. What do we do?
Let's first brush through her hair.
Oh, thanks, LaLiLu. Do you have anything good for decoration?
I think this will work. Decorate Mira's hair with red sequins. Put on the ruby necklace.
And earrings. Look at these ones.
Let's do it. Add the earrings and gems on the hair ties.
These shoes just don't work at all.
How about these?
Wow, stunning! We'll decorate them too.
We're attaching the rhinestones.
Perfect! A sparkling mini dress in a deep red shade, gold heels covered in gems, a glowing hairstyle, and a long train. Mira, you look absolutely breathtaking.
Well, not bad, I suppose.
Wow, you all look so beautiful. Except for me. I want a gorgeous outfit too. LaLiLu, will you make one for me?
I'm sorry, I don't have any gems left.
That's such a shame.
Lali, you helped us so much. Now we're going to help you.
Oh yeah, we can get some gems from Miss Marshmallow.
From who?
Miss Marshmallow. Wait, really? Of course. Here, take this marshmallow. Magic time.
Oh my gosh, it's Huntrix. Hey, Miss Marshmallow. I am such a huge fan. What are you all doing here?
I need pink gems. Can you help me? Please?
Please? You're really cute. I'll give you the gems if you can get the girls to sing for me.
Deal! These are my friends after all. Girls, you need to sing, then we get the gems.
No problem at all. Girls, let's go.
Yay, you're all so cool. I love you so much. Thank you. You made my dream come true. Mira, Zoey, Rumi, and here are the gems. You earned them.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You're always welcome here.
Bye! LaLiLu, I got the gems!
Perfect. Then let's craft.
Where do we start?
With the pink fabric, measure out a small piece. Cut it, sew it, and gather it. We get a full fluffy skirt.
Just perfect. We still need a corset.
We'll make it from the same fabric. There, let's add some puffy sleeves.
I want more bling.
I think rhinestones will take care of that.
Oh wow, these are gorgeous!
Let's make a big heart out of gems on the front and highlight the waistline.
So beautiful. But what about my hair buns?
Let's swap the hearts. We'll make new ones with gems. Lali's sparkling pink look is truly something else. A full mini dress covered in rhinestones and a hairstyle with precious hearts.
Wow, this look is absolutely perfect.
I love it so much too. Time to get back to the girls.
Here I am, and our fashion show begins. Welcome the Huntrix gems. Presenting Zoey Sapphire, Mira Ruby, and Rumi Diamond. Just look at this dazzling Hollywood dress. It belongs on every red carpet. Now behold our sapphire. That incredible deep blue is absolutely mesmerizing.
Wow!
Here we have the lightness, comfort, and incredible energy of the red ruby. And my look, the pink diamond, elegance and glamour all in one outfit. Which look would you wear? Write in the comments. See you in the next videos. Bye-bye!